Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to publish your YouTube video later. You can schedule your YouTube videos and publish them at a later date, maybe today, later today, maybe later tomorrow, maybe in next week or in next month, depending on your choice. But then you can do that with the help of this very tutorial. So just pay attention. So for example, you want to upload a YouTube video and you don't want to publish it now, you want to publish it after 2 weeks. So we start by uploading the video. You come all the way down to create. Here you click on create and you can click on upload video. Okay, so click on upload video and it will bring you this dialog. You can just come all the way and say select a file. This is going to be from a system. So let's say we are going to upload something like this second y-axis. Okay, so we'll open the video. Let's say we're uploading this second y-axis. We just click and it's going to upload it. Now we have the option to look at the details, monetization, video element, checks, and visibility. So we'll start with the details. This is where you put the title. So for example, we'll put add second y-axis in Excel. Okay, so you just put the details. Okay, you put the details, you put the thumbnail. So for example, I put in any thumbnail just for example. Let's say we'll put in this thumbnail. And you can see it over here. You put the playlist, you just assign a playlist to it. Let's say YouTube, and you say click on done, and then you can come over here and put different kind of tags that you want. Maybe you could YouTube, you put Epic Mentorship, I could put how to. You can put all sort of tags, and once you're done, you can come over here and click on next, because all the other things are set at default. You can put language and captions, clarifications. All this you put language as English in the Kingdom. The caption, this has never been aired on television in the US. All the other things you can leave them at default, or you can put location if you want, depending on your choice. And then you can come over here and click on next. And over here, when you have reached the monetization stage on YouTube, you are free to turn on or off monetization. So let's say we want to turn on monetization, we say done, and you have the option to look around, because this video is not up to 8 minutes. That's why we don't have the mid-roll, pre-roll ads to run on our video. Okay, so once we are done with this, we can go to the next. This is video elements. So this is the portion where we can add subtitles if you have. Okay, if you have, you can upload or you can generate according to based on the YouTube method. And down here you have the add an end screen. You can add an end screen so that viewers can move from one video, from this particular video, to another video within your channel to watch. So let's say we add one video to this. So click on this. There are different types. Let's say we are adding this one. We'll click on this and we'll choose specific video. Okay, so let's say we are adding this one and we'll click on save, and then we can add cards that will show as the video is playing. You can just add and select a type of card to begin. Let's say we're adding a video, and let's say we are going with this video, and the location we can specify and change it, but then we can leave it there and say okay. Where the main issue is, so you can either save or publish. So you can save it if you want. You can put it as private, that only you and people you choose can watch this video. Apart from that, nobody can watch it. And you can keep it unlisted. Anyone with the links can, only people with this link can watch this video if it is unlisted. And you can have members only. This is when you have enabled the join the membership on your near to your subscribe button. Then you can have this video can be only for members. this item, you can only see this item when you have reached the monetization stage. And then down here you have the public. Once you click on this, everyone can see, everyone can watch this video. Okay, so the one we are talking about is to schedule the video. You click on schedule and you can put the details of the scheduling over here. For example, the date tomorrow is 15th. You can make it in 2 weeks. You can make it 29th of November, and you can set the timing over here. Be mindful of the time zone. This is, so let's say we put 1:15 a.m. so the time zone is default set to time zone is GMT +1. Okay, so this is GMT +1, so be mindful of the timing. And then once you're done, you can set it as a premiere, or you can publish it like this. Okay, so you can decide to set it. I usually put it as a premiere. Okay, so let's say we keep it as a scheduled message, no premiere. Okay, once you are done, everything is set and you're satisfied with everything, you can just say schedule. And when you schedule this, what this means is on the 29th of November 2021 at this time, this video is going to go public. As it is now, it's not on public, it's not in public yet, so not many people can see, no one can see this, okay, until that day. Okay, once it is 29th May, at this time it's going to go public with or without you clicking. So this is how to schedule a video to go to for a later date, for a later time. Okay, if you like this video, you can feel free to practice it and schedule your video and publish it later. Okay, maybe you have so many videos and you don't want to disturb your audience to keep giving them many videos a day. You can schedule your videos to be daily. You can publish on daily basis or on weekly basis. You can schedule them accordingly. So if you like this video, ladies and gentlemen, kindly give it a thumbs up, and remember to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.